surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, play a crucial role in various construction and development projects. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys of the land and accurately mapping its features. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to gather data on the elevation, contours, and physical characteristics of the terrain. By providing accurate topographical information, these surveyors enable architects, engineers, and developers to make informed decisions regarding the design and layout of a project. The city of Jaewar in Noida is known for its rapid urbanization and development. With numerous infrastructure projects underway, the need for topographical surveyors has increased significantly. These professionals possess a deep understanding of the local geography and are well-versed in the local regulations and standards. They are skilled in using advanced surveying tools such as DGPS, total stations, and laser scanners to collect accurate data. This data is then used to create detailed topographic maps that highlight the natural and man-made features of the land. Topographical surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, are involved in a wide range of projects, including residential and commercial developments, road and highway construction, pipeline installation, and land reclamation projects. They work closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals to ensure that the design and layout of a project are optimized for the specific terrain and environmental conditions. By conducting thorough surveys and analyzing the collected data, these surveyors help identify potential challenges or constraints that may affect the development process. In addition to their technical expertise, topographical surveyors in Jaewar, Noida also possess strong analytical and problem-solving skills. They are able to interpret complex data and present it in a clear and concise manner. In several construction and development projects, topographic surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, play a key role. These experts are in charge of making accurate maps of the land's features and conducting thorough surveys of the terrain. To obtain information about the height, contours, and other physical features of the terrain, they make use of cutting-edge surveying tools and methods. These surveyors help architects, engineers, and developers make knowledgeable choices about the layout and design of a project by giving precise topographical information. Noida's Jaewar city is well recognized for its hasty urbanization and growth. The demand for topographical surveyors has grown dramatically as a result of various infrastructure projects that are now underway. These experts are well versed in local laws and norms and have a thorough awareness of the geography of the area. They are proficient in this enables project stakeholders to make informed decisions regarding land use, construction methods, and environmental impact. These surveyors also play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with local regulations and standards related to land development and construction. In conclusion, topographical surveyors